In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Etsy to a custom domain in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy does not allow you to host your shop directly on a custom domain, but you can connect a domain by forwarding it to your Etsy shop. Now, if you want to connect Etsy to a custom domain, here's what to do. Start by purchasing a domain from a provider like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Next, log into your domain registrar account and go to your domain settings. After that, look for an option called Forwarding, Redirect or URL Redirect. Then, enter your Etsy shop URL as the destination where visitors should be sent. Now, choose the redirect type. It's recommended to use a permanent redirect, also known as 301, for better SEO. After that, save your changes and wait for the domain to update. This can take a few minutes to a few hours. Then, test your domain by typing it into your browser. It should automatically redirect to your Etsy shop. Now, as an alternative method, you can use a website builder like Shopify to create a branded landing page. After that, connect your custom domain to your website builder and add your Etsy shop link or a buy button on the page. Then, publish your site so visitors first land on your branded page before going to your Etsy shop. Keep in mind that your domain is only forwarding traffic, not replacing Etsy hosting. That's it. By connecting Etsy to a custom domain, you can create a more professional brand presence while still using your Etsy store.